High above the earth, steel birds glide through the sky, carrying dreams, stories, and lives. Ever wondered what it takes to bring one of these giants back to solid ground? It's pretty wild, right? It's like guiding a city block through a hurricane, but the target is a narrow strip of asphalt. You might think it's all automated, but you're in for a surprise. But the true test of flight isn't in the takeoff, it's in the landing. This is the ultimate test of precision. Every touchdown is a moment of precision, courage, and trust. Pilots train for years to master this critical descent. Welcome to the world of aviation's most critical maneuver, the landing. Landing a plane is a calculated descent into complexity. Pilots must navigate shifting winds, unpredictable weather, and crowded skies. From crosswinds that try to shove the aircraft sideways to microbursts that can slam it toward the earth, the challenges are immense. Each approach is unique. No two landings are ever the same. Imagine descending at hundreds of miles per hour, your focus narrowed to a single point, the threshold of the runway. From 35,000 feet to runway 0, every second counts. Every decision matters. A slight miscalculation, a moment of hesitation, can have cascading consequences. It's a dance of altitude, speed, and timing, where precision is not optional, it's essential. This is where pilots earn their wings, not in the calm of the stratosphere, but in the turbulent final minutes of flight. Modern aircraft are marvels of engineering, equipped with systems that guide them with pinpoint accuracy. These are the unsung heroes of every safe arrival, working silently in the background. Instrument landing systems, or ILS, beam invisible pathways to the runway, helping pilots land even in zero visibility. It's like a radio wave highway in the sky, a precise glide path and centerline that the aircraft's instruments can lock onto, creating a tunnel of safety through fog, rain, and darkness. Autopilot and GPS work in tandem, calculating descent rates, wind corrections, and flare timing. These systems process thousands of data points a second, making micro-adjustments that would be impossible for a human to replicate, ensuring the plane stays perfectly on its intended course. But technology is only as good as the people who use it. Pilots and air traffic controllers form a silent partnership, communicating across frequencies to ensure safety. Controllers are the choreographers on the ground, sequencing arrivals and departures with the precision of a master strategist, maintaining safe separation between aircraft in a three-dimensional, high-speed puzzle. Every beep, every light, every instruction, it's all part of a larger choreography. A flash on the cockpit display, a calm voice from the tower, a confirmation from the pilot. This constant flow of information creates a safety net, a system of checks and balances that underpins the entire global aviation network. Despite the tech, it's the human element that defines the landing. It is the pilot's judgment, honed by countless hours of training, that ultimately brings the plane home. Pilots train for years to master the art of approach, flare, and touchdown. They spend hundreds of hours in advanced simulators, facing every conceivable emergency scenario, from engine fires to complete hydraulic failure, over and over again, until the correct response becomes pure instinct. In moments of crisis, engine failure, crosswinds, or system malfunctions, it's their skill and calm that make the difference. The technology provides the data, but the pilot provides the wisdom, the intuition, to know when to trust the machines and when to take manual control. Think of Captain Chesley Sully Sullenberger, landing on the Hudson River in 2009. It wasn't just a miracle, it was a masterclass in aviation courage. When both engines were lost after a bird strike, there was no procedure in the manual for what to do next. The autopilot was useless. The ILS couldn't guide him to a river. In those critical moments, it was Sully's decades of experience and his profound understanding of his aircraft that allowed him to make the impossible decision to ditch in the water, saving every soul on board. Every pilot carries the weight of hundreds of lives, trusting their instincts when machines fall silent. They are the final line of defense, the human firewall against disaster. It's not just about flying, it's about leading, deciding, and believing in their ability to handle the unexpected. As technology evolves, so does the way we land. The cockpit of tomorrow will look vastly different from the one today, with innovation pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Artificial intelligence is entering the cockpit, promising even greater precision and safety. AI algorithms can analyze weather patterns, runway conditions, and aircraft performance in real time, suggesting optimal landing profiles that save fuel and enhance stability. These smart systems can learn from every landing worldwide, constantly refining their own performance. Autonomous systems may one day guide planes without human hands, but will they ever replace human judgment? Can an algorithm replicate the intuitive leap a pilot makes in a true crisis, the kind of creative problem-solving that saved the passengers of Flight 1549? The future of aviation is a fusion where machines assist, but pilots remain the heart of flight. The role of the pilot is evolving from a hands-on operator to a systems manager, a strategic decision-maker who oversees the automated systems and is ready to intervene at a moment's notice. The bond between pilot and machine will become deeper, a true partnership built on trust and data. Landing will always be more than a procedure. It's a moment of connection between sky and earth, machine and man. It is the culmination of a journey, a final, graceful act that bridges the gap between the vastness of the sky and the safety of the ground. Each landing is a quiet triumph, a testament to engineering, teamwork, and bravery. The next time you watch a plane touch down, listen for the gentle chirp of the tires on the runway. That is the sound of precision. In the skies, precision is power. On the ground, it's peace. It's an incredible dance of human skill, physics, and technology. This is The Art of Landing. Thanks for watching. If you found that cool, hit that like button and subscribe for more insane aviation tech.